Welcome to Tokyo DisneySea. Today I'm here with my mom making her first visit in 10 years, truly unforgettable. I planned everything in advance to ensure she had the best experience. From skipping lines to discovering new rides, join me for the ultimate DisneySea experience. Before we dive into the details, here's a quick overview of the 4 key points we'll be covering. 1. Research is key. I'm going to talk about how to stay updated on the latest event and choose the best day to visit. 2. Plan a flexible schedule. It's about tips on creating a stress-free day that focuses on must-do attractions and allows for plenty of breaks. 3. Utilize available systems. I'll be using Disney Premier Access, restaurant reservations, and mobile ordering to save time and enhance your experience. 4. Don't try to do it all. I will emphasize the importance of a relaxed pace and enjoying the park without the pressure to see everything. Now let's dive into each of these points in details to ensure you have an amazing day at DisneySea. First, do your homework. To make the most of your visit, you need to know what's happening. Always check the official Disney website or app for current event and seasonal shows. Whether it's Halloween, Christmas parade, or summer night shows, make sure you're up to date. For instance, during my visit, I found out about the Food and Wine Festival event, which helped me get hold of some interesting foods. Knowing this in advance helped me plan the day. Use crowd prediction calendars available online and select a day that's likely to be less crowded. Weekdays on a non-holiday period are usually your best bet. I specifically choose a weekday right after the major holiday to avoid the crowds, and it made a huge difference. The lines were shorter and the atmosphere was much more relaxed. It's essential to have a plan, but keep it flexible. This way, we can enjoy the day without any stress. Make a list of must-see attractions and shows. For us, it was Soaring Fantastic Flight and see a show at the harbor. These should form the backbone of your schedule. So for Soaring Fantastic Flight, I made sure to get Disney Premier Access, which I am going to explain later. Ensure to have plenty of break and downtime. This helps to keep the day enjoyable and relaxed. I scheduled our breaks around scenic spots and restaurants with cute snacks. I bought this stuffy cookie for mom because I thought it was cute, but it was cute and delicious. I will buy it again. To minimize wait time and maximize fun, use all the available system Disney offers. If your budget allows, get DPA ticket for popular rides. This can save a lot of time and make the experience smoother. I used DPA for Soaring Fantastic Flight, and it was a game changer. We skipped a 100-minute wait and got to enjoy the ride almost immediately. Book your table in advance using the priority seating system for restaurants. For quicker meals, use mobile ordering through the app to avoid lines. I used mobile ordering at Dockside Diner, which saved a lot of time and hassle. Remember, it's okay to not see everything. The goal is to have a relaxed and enjoyable day. Take advantage of the beautiful scenery and relaxing spots around the park. For instance, Mediterranean Harbor and American Waterfront offers great views to enjoy. I also spent a lovely afternoon by the harbor from this boat. These spots also provide excellent opportunity to take great photos or enjoy a quiet moment. Have fun with the characters. It's also wonderful to spend time with your favorite character. We loved the character greeting with Sherry May. She was so cute, and I loved her so much. Just taking a walk around the park might be a great idea too. DisneySea is full of beautiful sights and relaxing spots. This is also a great chance for you to look for a souvenir you can take home. By these tips, we had an unforgettable time at DisneySea. I hope this guide helps you create magical memories with your loved one too. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Disney tips and adventures. See you next week.